Whoa, I almost tripped right there. Good morning, everyone. Yes, we are underneath a block of flats here at the Tanglin Halt area, and I am lost. Whoa, check that out. Check that out. Right, phew. And so, finally I'm back with the urban sketches again. We are meeting this Saturday in this region of Singapore, west, east, so not the far west, and this area is called Tanglin Halt. If you have been following me, you know that this place will be demolished really soon. It has been, I think, 2 or 3 years since we sketched here. We heard about the plans for redevelopment in this whole area. We're seeing progress bit by bit. Vendors, retail outlets and residents is shifting out of this area and moving over to newer flats that have been prepared for them. And it's also very clear that many of the food shops or stalls are slowly clearing. There are only a few of them are open today. So let's keep up with those sketches to document this place before it vanishes, wiped off from the island of Singapore. Another long queue. Let's see what they're all lining up for. Prata. Wow. Let's peek in at Peking room. Oru kosong oru mote.
Oru kosong mote sabre bagi dah. Kuning kal roti prata nasi biryani. Tamze. Okay, I'm happy with my 2 pieces. Let's go check out what everyone else is doing. Starting with Yiheng, right there. Oh, I see some urban sketches there. They're probably just about to eat or done with the breakfast. Sun is out and so is my hat. You're tuned in to the Alvin channel. Welcome.
This is the much issued 2022 of the Urban Sketches. And
I'm just visiting for 3 weeks. My son and my daughter-in-law and my grandson live here
how long have you been sketching with Urban Sketches Sydney?
since 2013.
30, oh, same time, right around the same time, yeah. Are you guys going out actively over in Sydney to...
We're meeting monthly. Okay, and the restrictions have mostly lifted now.
Right.
Now we're getting back to reasonable numbers of people meeting.
Moving forward.
yeah.
You heard about our no mask
Yes.
optional this Tuesday. I'm looking forward to it.
Everybody I
Finally
talk to.
breathe, right?
Because in Singapore it's much harder wearing a mask than in Sydney.
Especially when you're running around. Yes,
Yeah.
okay.
So I understand why everybody wants to stop doing this. Different manufacturers make different colours that I like.
Okay.
But I tend to stick to a fairly basic colour. But I don't have many exotic colours. So yeah, just.
Welcome to Singapore again. This is Lionel King from Sydney, USK. Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
Have fun. This is Florence, and this is her piece. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah. Wow. That's a feat, just standing up and drawing. Yeah. Oh wow.
I was standing there, you saw me, right?
Yes, that's right. Your third piece. Look at this. 3 pieces for the morning. And that was Florence just reminding her that this place will be fully taken down by 2024. So we've got another 2 more years to capture all of this. Oh, I see an artist with an easel. Let's go check him out. Oh wait. No, this... Oops. Sorry. Not an artist. My bad. It looks like an easel though, right? Here's scouting out for more artists, sketches. Okay, I'm gonna get one. Hi uncle, can I have one green tea? 绿茶，谢谢。饼干。Thank you. So when everyone is watching from the other side of the screen, it's so easy to forget that over here on this side, it is, I'm guessing, 34 degrees right now in the late morning, and it's gonna get warmer today. So, ice cream time. Oh wait, mask off. Nice. Yeah. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? I'm going to check out his work in a bit. Stay tuned. Can I disturb you for a bit?
No problem.
Yeah.
It's my third time with this special. My name is Ritra Dikshit, and basically I was from India and I relocated to here, Singapore, since last 2 years. Before that I was involved with the urban sketchers New Delhi, India.
New Delhi.
Yeah.
Wow. Enjoy yourself. Welcome to Singapore. We're gonna put colors now, right?
Yeah,
So enjoy that. Yeah. Thank you.
Hi,
Okay, so this is
Amanda.
friend of who brought you here?
Wei Ling.
Yay! Have you done this before?
Many years ago in school.
Can
like
you
10
can you
years
yeah
ago.
look at that. For those who are fans of Miyazaki, Totoro and all, this looks like it, right? Yeah.
And I used to be in art club in secondary school, and I thought it's been a long time since I picked up a brush or a pen.
Yeah.
Why not?
Okay, so this is you jumping into it again after a long time. What setup do you have? So this is
Bought a dollar brownie,
okay.
half pen, 12 color.
Okay, fantastic. And also you invested in how many brushes?
Just one.
Th-
That was too big, and then the smaller one came with the dollar brownie set.
Okay,
And I also bought little palette.
Okay,
And
that's
then I
fine.
bought this notebook, obviously.
Fabriano, okay, this is 300 GSM, fantastic. So you don't really need a lot to get this going, right?
Yeah, it was about $35 from Art Friend last night.
From Art Friend. There we go.
Not bad.
Okay, are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah,
Would,
definitely.
would you recommend this event or this activity to your other friends?
I think for any of the art geeks that just like to stick to themselves, but also with other people around, this is great.
Okay, thank you. Nice to meet you. So once again, if you're pondering whether you should start on this activity, this hobby, this therapeutic thing you have been thinking of, and don't know if you should start, you should, because it doesn't take a lot to begin, as seen from Amanda's setup.
Why you always catch me red-handed?
Oh my, look at that. Wow. Wow, just coming back here brings back a lot of memories from my last visit here. I'm guessing 3 years ago, there was a concert in this open area, and remember I stayed until night. Yeah, I was here for the entire day, where Vernon Cornelius, I think, and his band was jamming. Yeah, that was fun to watch. And there's some ladies just right by the hawker center doing their morning aerobics. Yeah, it's really heartening to see. But also documenting, because I know all this will go. Hello, hello. Wow, long time no see. Did you make some sketches? Can YouTube look at your sketches? Cool. Yes. Oh wow.
What's your house?
To one new chair. Accordion. Oh wow. Oh wow. What's the maximum weight that this thing can take?
150 kilos or something like that.
And how do you collapse it?
It's got these two things here on the side, and then you just twist it in it.
Wow. And let me see how heavy. Oh, 700 grams, I think. It's a fan, right?
Yes, this is a fan. My portable aircon, you want to try?
I thought these were headphones, but okay. So things to keep us cool here in tropical Singapore. Tropical, it's a more inviting word.
Alright.
Yeah.
You must have music.
This is Alvin Mark. Thanks for joining us. Until the next episode, it will be mask off. But until then, ciao ciao.